In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the orifice tube in the Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Before you start this job, you want to bring the vehicle to a local garage so that you can have the AC refrigerant extracted from the vehicle so that you can safely complete this repair. We're going to loosen this up right here using a 22mm wrench and a 19mm wrench. Take that off, slide that apart. I'm going to take some right angle needle nose pliers, just reach in here and just grab the old orifice tube and it just slides out just like that. Take the new orifice tube, just use a little bit of AC oil on the O-ring, slide it in place, just push it in. Before we put this together, take the O-ring and just slide it on the pipe. You can use a little AC oil on the O-ring. Then slide the pipes together. And tighten these down. And if you can torque these, you want to torque them to 18 foot-pounds. At this point, you can bring the vehicle back to the shop where you had the refrigerant removed and have them install new refrigerant.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.